All right, so right now we're talking about the Govee Flow Pro light bars. And this is the version that has the sensor on it that can sense what's happening on your TV, on your monitor, whatever, and it can sense the environment around it, and it'll change the lights in real time based on what's happening around it. Or you can program them to do anything you want, all right here. Govee's sponsoring this particular product as well to be featured here on Amazon. Let me just show you what I mean about this. This is the product. So check this out. These are the light bars. So as you can see, it comes with this sensor right here. I'm gonna show it to you in my space real quick, but it comes with this sensor that you pop on top of your TV or your monitor, and then that sensor senses what's on the monitor and makes it a more immersive experience for you. Then it comes with these two light bars right here. And these two light bars can be mounted to the back of basically anything or stuck to your table or surface. So you can put this anywhere you want, any application you want. So as you can see, if you're gaming or in your office, the light flow bars, as you can see right here, will make you looking at a monitor more immersive, which is really, really cool. As you can see, this dude's playing games right here, one application for it. And as he's playing games, it's shooting the colors and what's happening on the screen onto the wall behind the monitor to make it like this entire immersive experience on the wall, which is really, really neat. You can also do it on your TV when you're watching movies and stuff and TV shows to make like the TV show experience more exciting. Imagine watching like The Mandalorian or whatever, or some action movie, and then it's like shooting the colors on the wall behind it while you're watching the movie. Really cool application. And the smart camera, as you can see on top of the monitor, detects what's on the TV and then shines that light down on to you. Here they are in my space right behind me. So this is the sensor in my space right up there. Just a little zoom in on that one. And then here is the flow bar on one side, and then here's the flow bar on the other side. And so what they're currently doing in my space is this sensor on the top of the monitor is detecting what's happening on the screen right there. I have this looping video animation. It's detecting that, and then it's shooting those colors through the flow bars right there. I've got it facing toward you so you can see the effect. Let me just show you another shot here on my phone so you can kind of see an even higher quality shot of what's going on. Check this out. So you can do whatever you want with them. So it's not just going to detect what's on your screen and mimic whatever colors are there. You can also, with the Flow Pro lights, just do straight up programming the lights to do any kind of cool stuff you want, which I did that at first before I set up the sensor. So let me show you what I mean by that. So let's go ahead and do the side by side here. Check this out. So you can do music mode with these lights. So notice how it's just changing colors and it's reacting to my voice in real time. Pretty cool, right? Then you can have it react to whatever's on the screen. So as you can see, it suddenly changed the colors of what's on the screen, which is really neat. You can even do split screen mode. So if half of your screen is one thing and half of the screen is the other thing, it'll change to that. And you can just straight up pick a color. So like, I want them to be red, done. I want them to be green, sure, whatever. And then you can do a scenes if you want. They're so cool. So anyway, that's the Flow Pro lights there, guys. I mean, these lights are completely programmable. You can do anything you could ever imagine with them. And as with all the other lights, they have DIY options as well. So you can program your own DIY versions where you do fades and you pick the smart color and you can make it a part of a group. I mean, I'm talking like literally tens of millions of combinations of what's possible with these lights. It's all possible here with the Flow Pros. So if you are looking for a premium lighting option to have a more immersive experience while you're watching TV or playing games, Flow Pro is like the top shelf option.